Good morning. My name is Adolfo Moreno Jaimes, a student of Business Administration of the Military University, Nueva Granada. This video and to explain some important concepts, challenge and assessing the effectiveness of financial education program the Colombia's case. Financial education programs have both government and private support and are essential to financial education, foster financial inclusion, and improve consumer financial protections. The fourth evaluate the effective and substantial to show the polygons available resources are allocated intelligently. The available empirical literature casts serious doubt on the effectiveness of neglected education programs is achieved the chatting air of appealing design for open home of view of IPAN assessment. The finances education programs hasn't not produced larger effects or people finances education or finances disorder. Your high challenge is assessing the impact finances education the program. Recent research shows that financial literacy is gaining spread and that the government has put finances education financial program on the national public policies agents of Oman is governed that along finances education the program change lead polling that shows programs have invariably associated very finances disorder. More financial education enjoy free kind to the point that politicians Lady General and Jody Jays the USA's financial education and financial literacy in child leverage in speech. The chase as associates of Austin confuses with different finances. All governments adopt each as the financial solution to encourage financial education. I could consume make finances of course. In Colombia, both advocates is of its citizens captured as people Lois says, super sense laughing, stretching, super sense, the cake meeting, half mice day, the spice, the previous olays, two pains, glory for however enough fatalities, pensions, peoples, Aster, Luis Haber, sank.